Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. It's currently Tuesday at 9:30 p.m. and I'm recording this super late, but also early. So I'm actually going to be heading out to New York for my birthday this weekend, hence why there's going to be a birthday sale, but I am supposed to be at the airport at like 6 a.m. So I wanted to quickly film a little YouTube video to share with you all of the birthday sale details, as well as give you a really quick look at our new releases. I'm not going to be doing a full flip through just because I still need to pack and I'm feeling a little hectic. So before I show you the new releases, we do have 3 new kits, but I will give you all of the birthday sale details first. I actually have them pulled up here on my computer. So we're going to be offering 30% off of the whole shop, including these new releases, all of our other kits as well. Basically everything is going to be 30% off. And then we also have grab bags, which is super limited amount. We have a few left over from last time we did grab bags, so those will also be available. We have the 50-piece foil and then the 35-piece grab bag, and they're all flawless stickers. We're also going to be doing $5 monthly kits, so if you wanted to grab any of our undated monthly kits, those will be $5. They're normally, I want to say $17.95, so really good deal if you are trying to grab some cheap monthly kits. And then in terms of freebies, we are going to be giving a freebie sampler with every order. For orders over $100, you'll get a luxe pen. I actually have it right here. You can pick between rose gold or silver. These are super nice heavy duty pens. And then orders over $150, you'll get a free randomly picked kit. And then over $200, you'll get free shipping. So really awesome. Love all the freebies. And the sale is going to start on Friday, September 2nd. And it's going to run through Sunday the 4th until midnight. So the sale will start at 9 a.m. Pacific on Friday. And yeah, that is all of the sale details. Let's go ahead and get into this super quick little flip through. So we have 3 new kits. One of them is actually a reformat, and that is Snowdrops. So this is a kit that we released last year. Here is the little deco sheet for that. And then we have a journaling kit for it now. Super cute. I really love the colors in this kit. And then here is the weekly kit for it. We decided to go with silver foil again because I think it just matches the best with the colors of this kit. It's super pretty, and the quote box is "Hello Winter." Not gonna do a super in-depth flip through, but here is what the rest of the kit looks like. Then we have December, and this actually matches with our December monthly kit, so I don't have that with me, but we also have the matching floral deco available. But this is the journaling kit. Perfect for winter. Honestly, this could be cute for January as well. Next, here is the weekly kit. It's also in silver foil to match with the monthly kit. So they are both silver. Super cute. Lots of Christmas deco. And then the quote box says, "Baby, it's cold outside," which it is definitely not cold yet, but we'll get there. Boxes page. Then we have the functional page. That is December. And then lastly, we have a photo kit. So our photo kits, we don't have any deco or journaling kit to go with it. So this is all that we have for this collection. It's called Golden, and obviously, as you can see, it is Christmas themed. So the quote box says, "All is calm, all is bright." And this one is in rose gold foil. Really pretty. It's not your traditional green and red Christmas kit. So if you're not a fan of green and red, this would be perfect to use. Got the bottom washi, super simple. Boxes page, functional page, and that is golden. So that is all 3 brand new kits that will be available in the shop on Friday. And let me know in the comments which kit is your favorite out of the 3 of them. I think my favorite might be this photo kit. I'm really excited to use this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, rest of your weekend. I am really excited to be on vacation. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.